Hi, it's Tony, you're in Pop Pop's workshop. Have you ever built something in your shop and thought, well, I'm not sure if this is right. I'll just live with it for a while. And so you put it in the house or give it to somebody and let them use it or live with it for a little bit and then come back to you and say, oh, you know what it could use? I've got something that we built last year. I got a special load of honey locust. Love honey locust. So I love working with it. I thought, well, we'll try this out. And we've lived with this thing for about a year. And there's one specific tweak it really needs. So I'm going to do a video and we're going to talk about that tweak and install that tweak to make this a much better product. So let's get to the video. Okay, so this is what I lovingly referred to in one video as the ladder to success, maybe, possibly. It's basically a toilet paper holder. So I built it. I thought I had it the right height, and it's a good height because we can put some items on top that aren't too high. We've got a place to put a roll here and 3 more rolls. And because of the way it's built, you can do it this way, this way, this way. Any way you want, depending on your bathroom, this works because of the design. So that being said, we put it in there. I didn't build it up. I left it flat on the bottom because I wasn't sure on the height. Then I thought, well, I can always change this later. Guess what? I need to change this. When it's sitting on the floor, it's not always necessarily stable. There's too much contact area. So I could either rebuild it with longer legs or I could use cutting board feet. Simple little rubber feet that you can get. We got these at our local Woodcraft. You can pick them up anywhere, Amazon. I'll put a link in the video to where you can get these. But I'm going to put these feet on this product to make it sit more stable and get it up off the floor, especially in the bathroom. You don't want wood sitting on the floor. If you have a toilet overflow or a sink overflow, now you've got wet wood you've got to deal with. So we're going to get to the video. We're going to do this and make this a better product. All right, so put the feet on there, find a place, and we've got screws in here we want to avoid. So I'm just going to simply put that where I want it. Where I want it. And there. And last one. All right. Now we break out the drill. My hand's got to be in a certain way because I got to fix this. All right, so you'll notice in the video I am using a hand screwdriver, mainly because these are little itty bitty screws. 2 things can happen. You can snap that screw off, that's worst case scenario, or the next to worst case scenario is that the drill slips and these Phillip heads just scar out, bore out, and you're done. Now you've got to kind of get pliers in there. You'll have to destroy this to get it off of there. It's a bad scenario. So it's one of those times where you got to break out the hand tools and put it on. Okay, so in one of the video snippets just before this, you'll notice that the foot goes on and then the foot comes right off because somebody, yeah, me, forgot to check the diameter of the drill bit and the screws. So I fixed that sort of by just changing the hole location, drilling out a new hole. These work fine. and the feet then hide my mistake. So the motto is you're only as good as the mistakes you can hide. It might be fix, it could be both. Yeah, let's say it's both. So in this case, I'm only as good as the mistakes I can hide. Plus it's on the bottom, so that helps. What you gonna do? All right, so we've got our feet on. It's going to be up off the ground. It's going to be good on an unlevel surface. That's going to make it a little more sturdy. So yeah, I think that's going to be nice. Air is your friend when it comes to wood, keeping everything from being damp or moldy. So that's going to help there too. So as with any product, we built it, we lived it for a little while, we've tweaked it. We'll live it a little bit longer and see if this tweak works. If it doesn't, well, back to the drawing board, we'll do it again. And that's what you do when you're a woodworker. You get a product, you may have to tweak it a few times before you get it right. Hopefully, this is getting it right. We'll see. We'll report back. If it doesn't, you'll see it in here again, getting something else done to it. But in the meantime, this ladder to success is going to go back where it belongs, and we're going to live with this some more. So hopefully you're having a great day in your shop. Hopefully you don't need to tweak your projects too much, but it never hurts to tweak them. Never hurts to make mistakes. You saw me make a few, but that's okay. Fix them, hide them, whatever you got to do. In the end, you're probably the only one that's going to know. You guys know because I put it on film. If you don't put it on film, nobody knows. It's okay. So have a great day in the shop. Thank you for stopping in to watch this little video. We appreciate that. If you think we've earned it, throw us a subscription, like, bell, all that good stuff that YouTube likes to see. In the meantime, have a great day in your shop. And remember, you can do this.